How full is your mouth? What you got in there? How full is that mouth? Well, it's pretty full.
Okay, we better shoveling it in.
Let's move some of those for a minute until you get that down, okay?
Oh, I want it.
Okay, come in. Chew it up. Chew it up.
Okay, is that enough?
Let's see. Oh yeah. The key is to make the pieces smaller, you know. This is so Aunt Jess can see how you eat.
Mm-hmm.
Aunt Jess can see what a good eater you are. And Uncle Brian, they'll be amazed.
Oink, oink.
Yeah. So Uncle Brian, you can eat them under the table.
Yeah, you can out-eat Uncle Brian. You can do it. Yeah.
Is it good, Elijah? That's so good. Yummies.